Is tógra fear hábhachtach é 100,000 fáilte. Ina dhearítear chlíní ó thíortha eile ar fud na cruinne atá ag tuairfín saoil ar an oileán seo an Ghaeilge a Eabhlam. Táimid fearmhaíoch as ucht gach muoinú former ó Ryan na Gaeltachta chun chur leis an tugra úntaach seo, táimid tar éis neart rangna agus imachtaí agus cardlinne a rachtal go dtí seo agus meagsúil leis an himachtaí atá amachráin.
Afambo, Felix, OK, OBSCA, and also I'm the chairperson of Igbo Community Waterfront. I think having the link between the Irish language and Igbo community also is good for the integration, and our children have experiences for the first time. Though most of our children might be able to learn Irish in their various schools, but bringing it into our community, just something unique.
Мене звати Анастасія. Анастасія is unknown. To my Mohamed Hadocha is Ukrainishman. Participation in the project Kenya Folklore was very important for me. It is great to get some knowledge of Irish language because I really want to know the country that gives us a home and opens the doors in hard times. Studying Irish is just not only an opportunity to study a new language, but meet people who has passion in their heart to study new languages, and it gives you opportunity to make your view of the world deeper and more colorful. Each language is like a color of rainbow, and it will be very sad to lose some colors from the rainbow. For me, to study Irish was a great opportunity to know this country better, because each language describes the nationalities that use it, and it was a great experience.
Esmisha Pavel, I was born in West Siberia. I really enjoyed 100,000 fáilte, and I think that it's really important for everyone to show respect to people you're living with and to be connected with the local culture. So I'm looking forward to get more Irish lessons.
Esmisha Kai. The reason I attended Irish classes with 100,000 fáilte is I was very curious about Gaeilge, and I wanted to know more about local history, culture, and language, and I also wanted to know how to pronounce all the signposts.
Díagwich is me Shamira, Tommy Kuig Vleen Dig Dish, Tommy McConey I Kundinami, Tommy San Idervleen, Van May Totnav As Me Am Sagweltocht, Fime on Sosta, Nura Forme on Scholaracht. Young people go to the Gaeltacht because it was great crack and I had lots of fun. Fi am Intalk Agum, Bawatlum Dullarish.
Tá neart daoine ó phobal éagsúla tar éis dul tríd na scéime ón Niger, ón Syria, ón Ucrán agus neart tíortha eile trasna na dунta. Agus mar uachtarán ratha chunar na Gaeilge, I have the particular privilege of being president of Chonur na Gaeilge as we celebrate a significant milestone. Chonur na Gaeilge turns 130 years this year. Agus tá sé cótábhachtach go mid fós a chuirtús le tugraí ornua ar nó seo, tugraí ríthabhachtacha, agus meagsúil le neart imachtaí eile le haghaidh neart réimsí spéise éagsúla sna blianta beaga atá ag teacht roin.
With the Irish language program, the scholarship program, two of our children, they got a slot. Good thing here is that when they come back, they bring feedback to the community, and the other children who couldn't be able to get a slot, they are now eager to be part of it, because I think it's something that makes the children feel sense of belonging, and feel that they are now Irish, and it's better for the integration in Ireland also.
I definitely could recommend to participate in project 100,000 fáilte for everyone.